down in the South that made pallets, pallets you use in a warehouse. And the Immigration Customs Enforcement Agency got information that the people who ran this plant were knowingly and intentionally hiring illegal aliens to work there. And in fact, we're helping them with forged papers. And they raided the place. And they actually, did an enforcement action against them. And this factory could no longer hire illegal aliens to do the work. It was mostly Hispanic. And this article did interviews with people in the surrounding communities. This plant was located in a poor African-American community. And the people they interviewed there said, look, we can't get jobs at this factory. And the reason was that these illegal aliens were willing to work at low wages. And once the enforcement action was done, and the factory could no longer hire people who were here illegally, people in the surrounding community, which had a high unemployment rate, guess what? They were finally able to get jobs in this factory. And the factory had to do what? They had to pay better and pay higher wages. So the idea that importing huge numbers of people with low skills is somehow good for our economy, given the costs to the economy, especially for state, federal, and local governments, I just don't think the case can be made for that.
I'm sorry, unfortunately we're out of time, but perhaps the participants will be willing to speak to anyone interested after. But I just want to thank both of our participants for coming today, and I want to thank everyone for attending. Next week, the Federalist Society has another debate on Thursday, November 4th. Professor David Trout from Rutgers Law School will be debating Professor Stephen Eagle from George Mason University School of Law on the question, should cities and states subsidize housing for low-income individuals? Once again, it will be at 11:15 a.m. and we hope to see all of you there. And thank you very much.
Thank you.
Do you have a position on that?